The following video is proudly presented by MightyOxTrading. All information contained in this video is for educational and entertainment purposes only. It is not financial or investment advice. Good morning and welcome to MightyOxTrading. Hey Dave, Kim, good morning. How's everybody today? Hope you had a great night, and great morning. And we'll see how the markets are. It's CPI day. CPI day. It's always an adventure. You can see NQ has been kind of rangy, even if it looks like a big range. It's really not that big of a range. Our early chart shows us, well, today was the opening candle, 834. We've hit a high of 904, only a 70-point range. Good morning, Sheriff. Morning, Mr. G. Copper. About 160 ticks. Gold, about 10 points. Ultra bond, down, up and down and back up. About a point. Crude oil, about 120 ticks, 140 ticks. And natural gas, last but not least, about 250 ticks. Bitcoin trying to recover some. And that's where we stand. ES, you can see he's been falling here. We're not sure what the heck happened here. There must have been some sort of news at 6 a.m. Let's go look. We have CPI today. We have unemployment today. We have a Fed speaker at 9, a Fed speaker at 9:35, and a Fed speaker at 11, and a Fed speaker at 12:30, and a Fed speaker at 1:30. Holy crap, they don't shut up today. Oh, that's right, G. How are you doing down there? Hopefully it's the last one of the year, G. There's a 4-letter word in my forecast for Monday night. Snow. There's no business like snow business. No, we haven't had any yet. Get this, today it's supposed to hit 75 degrees, and tomorrow night it's supposed to get down to 25. It's going to drop throughout the day today. 75 down to 43 tonight. The high for tomorrow's only 43, and falling throughout the day. And then the next 7 days not getting out of the 30s for highs and down in the 20s for lows. We've had a very mild first part of November, but looks like the second part of November is going to feel more like the holidays. It's the holiday season. doop and hickory dock. Yeah. So we're watching ES fall. We've had a very small range leading into CPI here. Not sure the market knows what to do right now with all the crypto FUD plus CPI. It's probably going to be boring until CPI, then we'll see what it does. Crude oil, new low. Yep, crude falling. Back down to 85. Remember, if you expect to enjoy today's broadcast, I wouldn't mind if you hit that like button for the YouTube algorithm. Would appreciate it very much. So, gold's kind of sideways. Crude falling. Copper dipped. Trying to come back up. Dow falling. Natural gas heading up. Ultra bonds kind of heading up. What the ultra bonds doing there? Ultra bonds still spotty. Reminder, Monday night we'll be doing a evening stream as well, besides the morning stream. And we'll probably do that for the holiday season, Monday nights, evenings, and then we'll see about where we go from there after the holidays. That allows me to watch my holiday programming. Yeah, it's Mr. D. It's been running on my funded account now for 9 trading days, and it's up. Hold on, I'll give you the exact total here in a minute. It is up $1,782.50. And that's with me being very conservative. That's on 5 micros on NQ. And with me cutting trades manually, which I shouldn't have done because I keep costing myself money. No, we found out that the best session is Asia and Europe, and then it gives back during New York. So at most, I'm running it either just Asia, or I'm letting it run overnight and then cutting it when I wake up. Like $1,782.59 is where it stands right now after 9 days. So it's doing it's doing about 200 a day, but it could be more because I'm still cutting it early. I need to just let it go. Like last night, I cut it early, and it would have went to my full profit target. I cost myself about $270 additional dollars. Started right at 6 Eastern, and I often cut it after one trade. But the design is to if I didn't. Let me put it this way: I have a sim test running on the exact same settings, and this week alone. Hold on one second. Ooh, whoa! Look at crude there. It is crude, right? Hold on. Excuse me a second. Yeah, look at crude blow up there. Anyway, if I have been running it on the same settings on a regular NQ Mini, it would be up $5,860 in the last 2 days. That is running at 24 hours a day. Yep, all in the 1 minute time frame. The what stock exchange? Oh. Oh, okay. Oh, I didn't even realize that's what it was called. Really? I didn't even realize that. Okay, cool. I'll have to remember that. But yeah, I don't even. The bot doesn't care about. Doesn't care about openings or closings or anything. It just does its thing. I can make it stop after one trade if I want to, but no, I've been doing it manually. I can make it stop after one trade. I can make it stop after it hits a certain profit or a certain loss. I can make it stop at a certain time. I had an absolute genius code this thing, and then we bugged him for more features. Crew coming down. Yes, continuing to come down. Gold popping up. Right now NQ, but we have some ES tests running as well now. We test everything before we put anything on an account that matters, and we back test and forward test. I have two little insane testers that just like are testing all different parameters many times throughout the day. My belief is that it will work on any asset. It's not that an asset will make it not work. It's just finding the right stop loss and take profit in the right hours of the day. It doesn't have emotion. It just does it. It doesn't overthink it. It doesn't second guess it. It gets in, based on the rule. Whereas I look at something and I'm like, maybe is it good here? Nah, meh. And of course, that means it can have a bad day. The worst thing for the bot is a total trend day because it tries to jump in any counter trend trade. and that can hurt it. So one of those days where it trends like 5 6 hours in a row, that can cause it some issues. But yeah, it has no emotion. That's why I should stop interfering with it and shutting it down early because there's no, like I said last night, I shut it down early. I didn't like the way the price action was, and it ended up hitting my target. So I cost myself an extra like a 280, 270, $280. And I've done that a couple of times, but you know, to give some indication of how much I trust about my Tick Trader account was $40 away from hitting its drawdown and being blown. We see ES popping up here. And it was $40 away from being blown. So I said, you know what, I'm gonna just let the bot run on it. And it's since then it's recovered using just one micro. It's recovered $700. So we see ES popping up. So yeah, the algo is my future, and then I'll still keep an account to play with, and trade on stream. But yeah, the algo is my promised land, I believe. Popped up, popped right back down. Coming right back down. I know nothing about creating the bot. I know nothing about coding it. I came up with this strategy. It's the same strategy you see me use on screen here. And Matt made the magic happen. Hey, Walter. I will still be here. I could have walked away last week when when I had the problems. I'm here because I like people. You like you people. And you know, I will continue doing YouTube. It's all done with he uses NinjaScript. It's all done in NinjaTrader. I mean, I probably could take the time to learn NinjaScript, but rather just let Matt do it. Last code I learned was HTML. HTML before they came out with cascading style sheets and all that fun stuff. Popping back up here on ES. I don't know. I'm probably staying flat until after CPI. I mean, I don't show my trades anyway for now, but no sponsor, no reason to. But I don't, you know, this price action. I mean, obviously coming down here, we could have got a few trades. I was still sleeping on that one. Dude, I was 7 in 1981. Matt is also a pilot. Everyone, it's Get to Know Matt LaRocco Day. As we wait for CPI, which is about 37 minutes away. At this point, we have no plans to distribute it. Uh, we'll see in the future. You gotta understand that something like this, you know, there comes risks with distributing it. If someone uses it, loses money, they could try to, you know, I don't know, whatever. There's just a lot that would go into distributing it. Would have to write out instructions and all that fun stuff. Plus, honestly, something like this, we're taking a risk by putting it on live accounts, and it's obviously the team knows that that's the risk, but something like this should really be tested much longer. I mean, we haven't been testing it that long in comparison to how long something like this should be tested. That said, I mean, like I said, the bot is based on a very simple principle, and one day I will do a video on my strategy and all that. Well, we have different strategies that we test. The one I've been using on my Earn to Trade funded account is the profit target's at 149 ticks and the stop loss is at 80 ticks. I mean, in reality, I mean, all the bot is just my 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 observation about the 20 EMA, and you can actually, I mean, you can change or other EMAs. We experiment with EMAs too, but just the EMA crosses. It's a very simple idea. Good morning, buy low, sell high. How are you doing today? By the way, can you all believe that it's only 2 weeks until Thanksgiving? This year just seemed to fly by. So we're gonna hire Mr. G for legal. Analysts are predicting high sevens to low eights, so be interesting. 30 minutes away from CPI. Big crypto crash over the last couple days. We see ES popping back up here. That was a trigger candle there. Technically, it was a trigger candle back there. There we go. That would have worked. That earned its purple. Although I shouldn't. I mean, the better one there, based on my strat, would have been there. Either would have worked. Hi there, folks. If you're enjoying our conversation about bots and trading and all that, hitting that like button be appreciated. Ah, I got spam on yesterday's video. Gotta kill that. Thank you, Chris. Good morning, everybody. Good morning, Chris. Why am I saying good morning, everybody? Yeah. Thank you, Chris. Yeah, it's gonna be interesting to see how this week ends. We have PPI next week on Tuesday. Markets open normal time, Chris. Next holiday for this CME is Thanksgiving. You're welcome. Yep. Crypto, absolutely just getting destroyed right now. FTX. How would you like to be the CEO of FTX? 2 days ago, he was worth over $1 billion, and yesterday he was worth less than six figures and filing for bankruptcy, saying and the bankruptcy report says he owes over $650 million to creditors. It really is, and now there's rumblings that he used clients' money to invest in stocks and lost billions. I don't know if it's true or not. It's rumblings, but the crypto space is just because I've always referred to crypto as Wild Wild West, but it's becoming even more Wild Wild West. Burl, I'm absolutely speechless in that nugget of information you've just shared with us. Morning, Justin. Wow. Hey, Avi. Excuse me, Avi. How you doing today? CPI coming up, guys. Just a few minutes away. Market has been really rangy. A rangy mutt. As we approach the CPI. FTT token, which was FTX's token, fell from $22 2 days ago to $3 today. I'm surprised it still has $3. Bitcoin hit a 2-year low yesterday when it dipped down into the 15,000s. It's recovered about $1,000 since. That is quite interesting, and now I know what to get you for Christmas, Burl. Yeah. Yes, trying to come back down. This is what it's been kind of doing. He's up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down. Ah, crap. Excuse me 1 second. Accidentally activated Quant Tower when I didn't want to. Where is it? It's not showing up yet. Yay. Okay, it's gone. I think. Yes, okay, good. Yep, definitely crazy, crazy, crazy. It's had two to three big black swan events this year, and it's gonna get regulated. Regulators. We regulate any stealing of our property. Mount up. It was a clear black night. Sorry. World's biggest stablecoin, Tether, has lost its peg to the dollar. And I'm not even sure exactly what that means, but I know that's what brought Luna down. Yep, Amazon, everything right now. I mean, and do I think Amazon's not going to come back? I think it's going to come back. But yeah, I'm surprised it's kept falling, put it that way. Down to 86, 87. It's just been, I mean, it's just been an amazing time for stocks falling. But this is the time when people get rich, honestly. You know Amazon's not going anywhere. So you know it's going to rebound. You know, there's probably a lot of smart money loading up on Amazon right now. And when holiday sales numbers start coming in, as long as they're decent. Wow, big move here on, wow, look at this move up on ES. Straight up. Word. 3 points. Looks bigger than it is. That's what she said. Morning, JC. Exactly. If I had spare money, I would be buying up shares. A quick rise up here. NQ rising as well. You can see NQ's kind of trying to get up to high day actually. NQ's high day 10,904. We're at 10,895. 10 points away. 9 points away. Yes, I'm not sure what its high day is. That its high day right there? Let's look. Yeah, it is. Right there. 37.71 it looks like. 37.71 and a half. So we're a point and a half away from high. Oh, absolutely. Downturns in market are how people really do get rich. I mean, it's not the only way to get rich, obviously, but like, you know, especially real estate magnets, that really make a lot of money on real estate. Wait till the market, the bubble bursts, buy up the properties, and then sell them when the market comes back up. Same thing with stocks. People always talk, oh my God, the stock market's crashing. Oh my God, oh my God. That's the best time. You don't want something that's going to continue going up. You want to find a discount, get in, and sell when things are looking really great. Or, you know, maybe dividend stocks and actually just hold them and enjoy the dividends. Right back down with the ES here after that nice move up. 14 minutes of a V. So will the CPI number come in hot or cold? It's hot and it's cold. It's yes and it's no. Hmm. No Robin this morning. Still no Dakota. It's almost 2 full weeks on Dakota. I'm gonna start taking attendance. Well, it's time to wake them up. Or not. I mean, I'll take all the money from the market. I don't care. So we're watching, just watching what's going on here. Waiting for CPI. 30 people here. So 30 people here are waiting for CPI. Big number for this time of morning. Glad to have you all here. Feel free to say hello in chat. Questions or comments are always welcome. I used to joke around and say insults are welcome too, but some people started like taking that one to heart. Good morning, Richard. How are you doing? Cool. What evaluation are you doing, Richard? Hey, Speed Racer. Uh, maybe. I don't know. I might put an order on ES. I haven't decided yet. Got a couple minutes yet. Cool. Good luck with that, Richard. Good morning, Chef. How's the weather, Chef? Chef is also in Florida. Look at copper. Nice run there on copper. Nice bouncing up. Power staying on for you, Chef. There's the Ultra Bond market open. Is it doing anything? Doesn't look like it is. Not really much. It's waiting on CPI as well. All eyes on CPI. Good. Glad to hear that, Chef. So ES rising here before the CPI. Trying to touch high day, which it touched about an hour and a half ago. He's in Florida too. Florida too. Electric Boogaloo. I don't know. Anyway. Pulling down. Thank you for that, JC. Appreciate that. Always helps to hit that like, always helps the channel to hit that like button. Right. Pulling down here. And we're staying flat. So pretty much well, I shouldn't say that. I shouldn't guarantee anything, but my guess is we're gonna make a new high or a new low here. We might do both because this has been a uh, tight range today. I mean, NQ barely has a night, I should say, where it doesn't do 100 points in range, and it's really only 34 up to 04. It's only been 70 points in range, which is very rare. Five minutes, 4 minutes. That's our low of day right there on ES. Disappears if I zoom in, so it's far away, you can tell. What was that at anyway? 37.53. About 14 points from where we're at. So we only have about a 17-point range on ES today. You can see it's dropping down here before. That is the question. These are the times that try men's souls. $90. Wow, look at that candle there. It's already getting all wild and whippy. Wild and a whippy. Very whippy. Morning glitch. We are less than a minute away from CPI. $15 seconds, 10 seconds. Boom! Whoa. Wow. That went up 99 points on ES after a dip. Holy mackerel. Look at NQ. Look at the Ultra Bond. 300 points on NQ. Wow, and that staying green here. Holy crap. Still rising. What was the number? Month over month, actual 0.4, forecast is 0.6. Year over year, only 7.7. They expected 7.9. Inflation's coming down a little bit faster than most analysts expected. ES is up over 100 points. It started that candle at 37.65. I'm sorry, it hit 38.61. So it hit ES hit 99 points. And Q is up 877, up about 300. I don't, early morning math ain't my thing. The Ultra Bond's up over a full point. Pulling back just a tad here, but wow. That is quite the candle. Told you we're going to make a new high. I mean, look at that candle compared to. The bot liked it. Nice, Burl. I check Discord, Matt. We're still heading up. It's still climbing. Wow, even Bitcoin liked it too. Bitcoin's recovered back up into the 17.5s. So, now we don't know. I mean, is this going to head up the all day, or we're going to see a fade? You can see it's, obviously leveling out here somewhat. So, did anybody play that? Besides Burl, obviously. How are we doing, guys? You see the Ultra Bonds rallying. Excuse me. All of a sudden got hiccups. Rallying up. Yes. What did everything else do? Let's see if anything else had response. Oh, crude oil up a full point plus. Gold up 22 points. Wow. Gold up 22 points with like no wick. Gold and crude both would have been safe plays because they didn't. You see how these reversed first. Copper up big. Wow. Everything. This actually. Everything but, of course, natural gas. Even natural gas had a 70 tick move. Usually natural gas doesn't care. Dow's up. Platinum's up. Wheat's up. Wow, it even affected agriculture. Look at agriculture going up. Yep, Bitcoin's thanking heavens that something positive happened right now. Oh, look at Amazon. Amazon liked it. We were talking about Amazon earlier. Amazon up over $3 a share. So let's look. Whoa. Now that's an hourly candle. Wow. 359, 360 point candle. You see we're above Tuesday. We're at a high we have not seen since last Wednesday. That was FOMC day. So quite the I thought 100 points, maybe 150. I wasn't expecting 400 or 300 or whatever we're at now, somewhere between those two numbers. Well above the Bollingers here, at least on NQ on the 5 minute. I mean, you're starting to see it come down some now. So ES hit a high of 38.76. It's pulled back already. Wow, about 13 points. How you doing today, John? And now everybody thinks that the Fed's only going to do 50 basis points in December. Yes, it was. It was a very small range. Chris? So we just kind of watch now in all. Dude, it wasn't really a trend. It was an explosion. Nice job, Chris. Oh, by the way, I did say we might touch both low and high a day, and we when CPI hit, and we did. We actually did get a new low a day on that very on the quick down before it blew up. So we kind of level out here. Where do you think we're gonna go now? What do you think we're gonna do at the open? Sell off or continue rising higher? About 45 minutes until the bell. Remember, folks, feel free to join in the discussion. No pressure, but always good to hear more voices. $10 before, really? Really? One, two, three, four, five, six, seven, eight, nine, 10. Maybe okay, 10 minutes. But it really dipped there. I mean, interesting. I mean, I see this move up here. This must have been what triggered it, because then it started this, which would have made me second guess my life choices. Hassan, welcome. Haven't seen you in a few days. How you been doing? Copper obviously made a new high. Wow, look at the yen futures. Yen liked it. Euro kind of liked it. British pound liked it. I'm assuming that the dollar didn't like it. Yeah, YM big rocket as well. Natural gas bucking the trend and falling. So what a morning. Let's see where we go from there. I love how my chart look. Look at this. Watch this. This is kind of fun. Big candle there makes this look absolutely all flat. Take the big candle off the screen and boop, 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 boop. Okay, that was probably annoying, right? Come for the trading, stay for the sound effects. So just kind of stagnant now as we wait until the market opens, I guess. 2 weeks until Thanksgiving, guys. Where has the year gone? What are y'all gonna do without me? That's a 4-day weekend. You won't see me Thursday, Friday, Saturday, or Sunday. CFT is MIA, JC. Wow, there's a lot of initials. I have not heard from, nobody's heard from CFT except for the video he released last week in just about 2 weeks now. So I'm assuming he's just taking a break from everything, but I'm not sure. Excuse me 1 second. I'm back. Pulling down here a little bit. So, reminder, folks, that Monday evening we'll do an evening stream as well as the morning stream, 7:45 Eastern time. 2.5 hours, something like that. One evening stream a week on a Monday during the holiday season. Then we'll see about going to do more after that. See where things are at. Share Vision, I have not heard anything from. So I'm assuming that they're going to totally stiff me. I may have to put on some social media pressure. There is money to be made in the evening session, regardless of what you've been told. That's where my bot has made all my money for Earn to Trade. Yeah, the evening streams are more relaxed. We find more non-trading stuff to talk about as we watch price action be a little bit slower. I think we're coming down at the New York Open, John. Maybe slightly, maybe a dip and then rip. I'm not really sure. Yes, JC, I just need to leave it alone. Like last night, I didn't like the price action. I closed it out, and it would have for a $99 profit, but it would have hit the full profit target of 370. So I cost myself $280 bar or something like that by interfering with it. But yeah, it's up a little over 1,719 in 9 days on 5 micros. Thank you. That's being very conservative. I could have hit the live sim limit by now if I had been not conservative. We're just watching the candles form. As the candle forms, so are the days of our lives. Crude oil falling back down, so it's bucking the trend. Gold's kind of leveling out. A bit of a pullback there in copper. Natural gas all over the place. Hassan, I mean, I have bot tests on many different parameters. I just, I'm running it in a live account, the Earn the Trade funded account. So I'm just, I'm being conservative until it gets a nice little cushion, and then I'll let it loose a little bit more. Honestly, by being conservative, I'm just closing it early. I've closed it early like 3 different times where it actually would have went to profit target. So I probably cost myself like $600 so far by closing it early. The 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 test I have on it, I run 24/7 or 5. Yeah, I mean, eventually we'll just let the bot do its thing. Like I said, I want to get a cushion on the earn the trade. And yeah, if I would already be, like I said, I would already be at the live sim limit if I had just let it run. Oh, there's another nice pop up, new high day on NQ. But you know, I just being conservative. Eventually, I'll just let it do its thing. And my goal is on Black Friday sale. Excuse me. sales to pick up some cheap evals. And, like I said, right now I'm doing 5 micros, where if it goes to profit target, it's about 370 bucks. If I can do that on 5 accounts on a regular basis, it's not going to have, every day is not going to be green. But, if I can average $200 a day on 5 accounts, that's $1,000 a day. That's a good start. All part of the master plan, slow but sure. Yep. I mean, like I've talked before, though, I want more than 1K a day, but not because I'm greedy, but because I can change lives with that. Anything. I mean, I can change lives with 1K a day, obviously, but I want to be able to like really change lives. Don't really need a trade copier, Dave. Just set them up on VPSs and let them do their thing. See, that's the thing. You know, here's the thing no one realizes, Dave, or a lot of people. Um, like on Apex, let's say on Apex, let's say you have 20 Apex accounts. You don't need a copy trade if you're using a bot. You just set up each individual account to run the bot, and uh, you don't need a trade copier. Just does NinjaTrader can handle that. You don't even need to bring up the charts for it. You can see here, and ignore some of these numbers because some of these didn't clear from yesterday for some reason. So no, it's not up eight. It is up $8,800 on these sim tests on some of these over 2 days, but not just today. But hold on 1 second. See, there we go. You see, all these are running on one Rhythmic ID, and I don't have charts up for them at all. They're all running on one Rhythmic, and you can do that with regular accounts as long as it's all one company. So, this is all running off of the Helios ID, these SIM accounts. Then you could, I mean, but if I had, let's say I had 3 with Helios right now, they would all run off that one, and I don't even, I have one chart up. I don't have to bring up a chart for each individual account. So no reason to pay extra for a trade copier. Hey, good morning, RJ. RJC, I mean, yeah, I do. I really do. And it's, part of that's because for most of my life, and I have been the less fortunate, and I've had a lot of people help me out, agencies, and help, and I know what it's like going through all that. John, yeah, you do, but theoretically, if the bot's doing its thing, I shouldn't be interfering with it anyway. Oh yeah, you can find bots all over, but honestly, I think most people that find a bot that really works isn't going to sell it because if it goes commercial, the problem is, I mean, I this in my opinion is relatively, you know, free of being able to really stop what it does, but the more people using it, the more chance there is that people build bots to the big banks build bots to counteract it. Oh, dude, Cam, there's somebody. I'm not sure if Matt LaRocco's still listening. What's that one place that sells their bot for like $10,000 or something like that? The one that wouldn't even give you a free trial of it. There we go. Wow, he and I were thinking the same wavelength. Yeah, True Trade Automation charges 10,000 for theirs, and you can't even try it first. Hope that works for you, Burl. Is there a certain nope, no trial on it, RJ. Do you have a profit target you need to hit, Burl? Something we can follow along with? It's amazing how much people are willing to spend in trading for stuff like this. It just really is. I mean, courses that cost thousands of dollars and trade rooms that cost thousands of dollars and 10 candle. 810. 810 was before CPI. I'm confused. And see, that tells me that things don't when they're that pressured. If that thing really worked, word of mouth would be enough to sell it. That's my opinion. If something works that well, people are going to talk about it. Oh my god, I can't believe how good this algo works. You got to try it. You don't need the high pressure sales. And then there's the people that take free indicators from TradingView and package them up where they act like a bot. Well, I shouldn't say they act like a bot. They claim it's a bot, or they claim it's something, and it's not. And they get people to spend, money each month on things they could get free. Okay, you got in at 810. Okay. Okay, we can figure this out. Not easily, but we could figure it out. So you got in at 810. So this candle here, we need. Have a great day, JC. So let's try and figure this out. Hold on. Okay. So since that time it's gone, yeah, as of right now, boom, 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 boom. Okay, no more. Okay, let's say it's gone 115 points so far. It's somewhere around there. 100. Wait, I can figure this out math-wise. You need 2550. Uh, Early morning math. Hey, there's no ace yet. How you doing today, RJ? 2550 divided by 4. So 637 each micro is needed. Every point on ES is on MES is 5. 637 divided by 5 needs 127. So you need about 10 more points here. No, about 12 more points at this point. So, 127 points from 3765 plus 3765. So you need to hit about 3892-ish. So you're about 14 points away right now, Burl. Good morning, Ace. How you doing? Yeah, I'm wondering too. You missed CPI going, sending ES up 100 points. And it's going up about 115 total. I'll keep you informed, Burl, as long as you can continue to listen. Although don't get your however you're listening, don't like get it all shorted out or whatever. How's Ace today? Excuse me 1 minute. I'm back, guys. Did you miss me? Did you miss me? A little shocked by the price action, or are you sticking your finger in light socket there? I'm sorry, guys. I won't leave you again. Burl, rising up here. You're 6 points away or so. That my number might be just a bit off, but we're getting closer there. As we are 12 points from the bell. 12 points from the bell. Yeah, 12 minutes from the bell. 12 points from the bell. Trying to rise up. So I still expect a drop here at the open, but I could be wrong. It did work, didn't it? Give me a second, I need to check something. No! Nah, excuse me a minute. Okay, sorry guys, I'm trying to do a little something back here as well. Still rising up here, 38.84-ish. We're 10 minutes from the bell. How's everyone doing? Has anyone, I know Chris has been trading. Anyone else been trading? Oh, that's what I did wrong. Crude's flushing. Yes, crude is flushing. Big time move down. Was up, it's flushed almost 2 full points in about half an hour here. Burl, when it hits target, is it going to shut off, or do you need to manually shut that off? Because you're like, I think you're like 3 points away here. Burl, you're at profit target. John Burrow, you're at profit target. John Burrow, you're at profit target. Ouch, Chris, but you're still up for the day? Okay. My math might have been off as well. You know, I was guessing at your entry point. I went by that candle, but I wasn't sure if it was the beginning of that candle, end of that candle, or where. So might have been my math that was off a little bit. Good job, Chris. So we are 3.5 minutes to the bell. Right before the bell. So let's zoom in here. We'll watch the NQ and the ES on 5-minute charts. See what we do at the open. Absolutely understand that, bro. We're all in this together. One minute to go. 1 minute. Let's hope it doesn't flush down on you here, Burl. We're 20 seconds from the bell. Ding 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 ding. Yes, trying to get up to 3,900 here. It's not moving much at all. Either way, well, I shouldn't say that. I guess it's moving more than I thought. ES is up 4 points. NQ is up to 30. Excellent, Burl. Great job. ES up 5.25. NQ up 35 points. Must admit, I'm kind of surprised where you haven't flushed, but we'll see. Up now we're pulling backwards. Red on ES. Beautiful, Burl. Not many days you're gonna get that that kind of target. Pulling back now. Down 7 points. And Q pull down by 11. The total down because it hit 394. It's down to 347. So from its high, it's fallen almost 50 points. ES hit 38.99 and a half. It's fallen 9. Yes, you did, Burl. Glad I got you to your truck. I didn't expect it to get there that fast. And we're up. We're swirling. Having that time of day again where no data. Uh, might be having a little bit of stream issues. I hate Comcast. I need new internet. Like I said, we're all in this together, bro. The broadcast might be a little bit. Hopefully this corrects soon. Yep, losing data here. I don't know why. If you see swirling, remember to hit the live button to get back to the live feed. Right now, you see opening 5-minute candle. ES is down 12 points. NQ down 20. Looks good. Yeah, that's what I'm hoping for as well, bro. Pick up a couple. Still swirling. Hopefully this corrects soon. I hate this stupid internet issue every day anymore. I see my viewership drop when that happens. So back to ES here. It dipped on that 5-minute candle, trying to come back up. We'll go back to a 1-minute candle here. See, it came down. Decent trigger candle there. Down some, back up. Seems like we stable. Oh, still getting the yellow. All I want for Christmas is some decent internet. How's the stream quality, guys? Is it still looking okay? Yeah, it's hard to do. What's wrong, Matt? Oh, I missed that. Crap. I'm sorry to hear that, Chef. Okay, yeah, it seems like it's regulating. Coming down. Nice, Matt. We're gonna get this, man. It's gonna be okay, Chef. So ES 38.99 and a half has fallen about 24 points. Falling, falling, falling. So off that trigger candle, right there, would have needed a more than a 4 point stop, and I usually use a 4 point. Although today, I mean, the ATR's high, it's probably more. So that might have stopped me out, but then it sent another trigger candle right there. That one would have given me, 4 points before it reversed. Probably, I mean, the smart thing to do is just keep taking the shorts. You see, we're continuing to fall. This is kind of what I expected. The market just seemed to bend for Burl today just to get up to his profit target and then fell. Ace, 2 points yet? You're kind of quiet today. Yep, absolutely. Jeff, just we'll get Chef there. So we're about 15 minutes after the bell here. We've come down a little pop up here. Ultra Bond, nice move up. Could continue to move up. That was a pretty big run there. About 3 points. Still missed Dakota. Hope Dakota's okay. He's missing. Hope Ace is okay. It's unusual for him to step out this early. Gold's still rising up. Seeing a little bounce here. Copper hasn't really pulled back yet. It's still running. Dow popping up. Big move up here on the ES, so big rebound. I thought we were going to trend down for a while, but no, it's coming back. We're going to get there, Chef. One day we're all going to meet on my yacht. Except for me, because I don't do water. So y'all can meet on my yacht. There we go. I've never been on a plane. I have never flown. But I believe I can fly. I believe I can touch the sky. Nope, never was on that airline either. Sorry, couldn't resist. I could do that, David. I mean, I can't show you how the bot's created. That's not me, but but I could show you how I set up Ninja to run the bots. Yeah, as ES just did a U-turn here. Nope, I've never been on a plane. Wow, we have a lot of pilots in this industry, in trading. Matt's a pilot, Chris is a pirate. Pirate? No, pilot, not a pirate. Arg, matey, sorry. Gabs from Earn to Trade Discord is a pilot. Oh, David, I doubt you suck at trading. Oh my god. I could not jump out of a plane. Wow, 500. Besides, if I jump out of a plane, I'm gonna be blocking out the sun, and like people on the ground are gonna be like panicking because of this sudden solar eclipse. So we're rising up here, hit 38.98, which is about 3 ticks away from the high day. NQ doing the same. NQ just hit its high day. ES just blew through its high day, blew through 3,900. And another pullback here, so decided to get about new high and then pull back again. Ooh, big move back down. Wow. I can't imagine the adrenaline rush in doing that, but jumping out of a plane, but I don't know. I've never been an adrenaline junkie, but unfortunately, I've never really taken many risks at all in life. It's kind of why my life is boring. Watch me get killed one day when a skydiver falls on me. Popping back up, getting some weird price action here. Did we have any other news today? I don't think we did, but I probably should look. Oh, we've been having a Fed speaker speaking. That might explain the weird price action. Nice, Matt. Yep, looking long here again. Up, another new high day, and yes, Matt, you did beat it, and Ace made a nice call. Snapchat. Oh, I was confused, but that's normal. So pulling back a little bit again, but we keep, doing this slightly higher high thing. Nice, Matt. Yeah, those trading day rules kind of suck. Yeah, 'cause this price action's been a little weird too. I mean, we're still rising up, but um, good question. Almost 4%, 3.95. Burl. Just hit 4% now. 150 points on ES for today. New high day, 39.07. NQ up 12. New high there, 11.438. NQ is up. Oops. Well, the Ultra Bond is up. Ultra Bond's up 3.73% today. NQ is up. Wow, NQ is up 610 points today, 5.67%. 39.12 now. Oh no, I mean I've seen the days like this crash in the afternoon. We're a half an hour away from the whole 10:30 classic reversal potential. So we shall see. Continuing to rise. Continuing to move up. Ace, you're in at like, you're close to 20 points here, aren't you? This is just straight up. And that little dip there at the open ended up just being a pullback. Wild and wacky CPI day. How high will we go, guys? How high? Yeah. There's a little pullback. By little, I mean 5 points. Big pull down. 8.5 points down. Let's see if it recovers that. Yeah, maybe trying here. You see it down, up, then back down. Might be finding a just kind of hanging here. See if we get a reversal. So you're not cooking ox. And Q pulling back a little bit. Bitcoin staying above 17.5. Nice recovery. Lean hogs have been up and down. Agriculture kind of downish after the pop, now falling. Copper still trying to push up. Yeah, I could not do that at all. Not to tell you. I mean, I just, I don't know. Kind of hanging out here, 39.14. Ace, are you still in a trade or are you out? Keep getting 100-point moves, Burl. You won't need to work. Watch ES is kind of hanging on this other moving average, but it's not falling fast. Hey, Linux, how you doing, man? You'll get that back, John. How much longer do you have to pass that? We all have our bad days. Okay, you'll get that. No question about that, John. You'll get that. Pulling down now again, trying for a trigger. We got our finger on the trigger. All the people that pulled their money out of crypto are buying futures. Yeah, I'll be on. We'll be streaming. No days off until Thanksgiving. Yes, they are. At least for the CME, there's no special holiday hours for Veterans Day. I don't know about the regular stock market, but I know nothing special for CME. I mean, it's not falling fast. I mean, it has fallen now 10 points. Assuming Ace is on breakfast duty, I'm curious how he did. He says 2 points can feed a family. If he got 10 points, they might be getting steak for breakfast. Yep, it is a bank holiday. Mind if first, if you're enjoying today's stream, I appreciate it. Hit that thumbs up button for the YouTube algorithm. Continues to help the channel grow. There we see some movement down. Quick 5 points down on that candle. Well, the algos that mattered I had turned off, but let's go look. Uh, the one I have on. Let's go look at trade performance. Give me a minute. The one I actually have that I've been using on the Earn a Trade account. Let's look. You know what? Let's just do this. That's smart, Brian. Yeah, there we go. Um, uh, oh, I don't know, because it's not working right. Um, yeah, there's a problem with that one. So I can't really answer that. For some reason, they didn't clear yesterday, and now the totals are all off, which is not good. Yes, it popped down, but popped right back up. Uh, Actually, CPI kind of threw it off. I don't think it did not handle CPI right. Now I would never let it run through CPI anyway, but yeah, I think CPI blew it up. So I don't know exactly. Ah, and I accidentally closed it down. Oops. CES 3808. But yeah, I would not let the algo run on any account that mattered through CPI or NFP. Matter of fact, I mean, I don't think I'm going to be letting the algo run at all during the day. Any day, news or no news. Asia and Europe seem to be best. Now my CL, my crude oil algos, they're up $2,800 today. But this is their first green day this week. My copper algo in the 5 minute is up 1,250, and that one's up 4,000 for the week. And Q coming down, so we are slowly grinding down here. It's trying to, I think. Crude oil, wow, big boom back up. It fell hard earlier, and then now coming back up. See the ultra bonds continuing to try and grind. Yeah, honestly, I don't. I'm not gonna trade door news anymore. That was fun. I mean, maybe I'll do it out of fun on a account, on a sim account or something. But I'm not gonna trade news anymore. Honestly, it seems like the book is becoming thinner than when I first started trying the news reports because you just can't get out of the trades. It seems like ends up going much further than you expect, and that's too much of a risk. This algo could, really looks like it's gonna be something good. It's not worth trying to gamble anymore. So I will stay out of news because you know what? I mean, as much as it sounds great to hit 100, 100 points on ES or 300 points on NQ, the consistent profitability is much better. And right back up. So it's not falling easy here. Cool, chef. So yeah, no more heart thumper for me, even though it was fun. Like I said, unless I do it on a sim or something, but I'm getting really comfortable with just letting the algo do the work. Algo, whatever you want to call it. I don't think it's real. I mean, I don't think it's really an out. I don't know. I'm not sure what the exact definition of algo is. Well, we're getting close to 10:30. Well, we can see the 10:30 reversal. I thought we were starting to, but every time it dips, it comes back up. And it's still only 7 points away from a tie here in ES. It really liked that CPI number today. Yeah, popping right back up here. Gold just went ballistic. Let's look. Oh, big move there. Yep. Almost 4 points, pulling back a little. But up to 1754. You can look here on a daily chart. Ignore all the purple lines. But yeah, we're at a highest level we've been now since August 26th, Jackson Hole. Jackson Hole Symposium. You can see gold's had a good last few days. 45-point day there, 35-point day there, 41-point day today so far. Quite a move on gold. Back here, just, last week, it looked like gold might try and dip under 1600, and now it's back up to 1754. All right, Burl, I just saw your tweet. Thank you very much. Here's the S trying again. So it is not breaking down. I thought for sure we were going to start breaking down, but not yet. So as we approach 10:30 here, about 30 minutes to go in the stream, how's everyone done so far today? I know John's down. I know Burl's up big. Ace was up big. Chris is up. How's everyone else's P&L? Down. That happens, RJ, but I know you'll get the next one. Soon will be time to start singing Christmas carols. Wow, another run up here. Look at this ES. Well, that might be made a quick burst up and then boom, right back down. That's technically a trigger down. So it burst up by 3 and then dropped by 5. So total drop of over 8, 9, 10. There we go. Look at that, right on the 10:30 dot. We see a breakdown here of 9 points. And look at it continuing to come down. See if it breaks through 3,900 here. There, I bopped him over the head for you, Burl. Yep. Little bounce. So dipped under third. No, I didn't actually. Got down to 39.01. Popped back up to 39.06. I got a case of them. They're on back order. So it's back to hanging around 39.07. A little less than halfway back up that candle, that big candle that came down. I don't know, I think we're coming down here, but I've said that a couple of times before. And no Crypticon today. Sorry, I need to start a spreadsheet and keep track of everybody. Watching the price action. So our next big news report is Tuesday. That's the PPI report. Don't think it'll get the same reaction that CPI got, but last month PPI did a big move. It's kind of stuck in this area. Looking for that break below 3,900. See how it came down to the same level right here, over here, and over here. So this seems to be support right now. Oh, they're trying. It's trying. Sorry about the yawn that I let escape. Still, yeah, this range is weird, kinda. See if it can break below 3,900. It keeps trying. Yeah, it definitely seems like some strong support level. They have that propped up with cement. Oh, wait, hold on. It's making a run for it. That bounced off 3,900 and a half. Yeah, it cannot break through. But it's going to continue to try. Bless its heart. Stealing a southern phrase there. Boom, there's a break. Let's see if it holds. Sitting at 3,900 even. Yep, there's a. It's trying to establish below. 85.50. So we're watching. Bulls and the Bears really fighting here. Bounce back up. Now back down. Continues to push. Push, push, push. There we go. 38. I saw 38.97. We hit 38.94. Popping back up though. Oh wow, right back up, right back above 3,900. I didn't see that bounce coming. I thought we were finally coming down. But I think the market doesn't like that it gave Burrow like 130 points earlier, so now it's going to make him sweat on this short. So it's not going to be a big sweat. Yeah, pushing back up. Trying to set a trigger candle up. will not cleanly break down here. That was a trigger candle and it would have worked. It's up 2.5 points. Coming up, down, left, right. See what everything else is doing. Oh, Ultra Bond thought we pulled back some. Crude oil, a little pullback, but kind of back up. Gold, pulled back after that big impulse candle, but coming right back up. Copper, staying up. Natural gas, big move up. Yeah, I would have thought we would see a bigger reversal by now. I mean, ES is down from its high. It is down 12 points, but still, that's not that big of a drop. Not after seeing like 150 points up. I really did think we would start fading more by now. But I guess the market really loves CPI numbers today. I'll say this, if this doesn't drop, like it stays up in this level the rest of the day, I think you can expect a big red day tomorrow. But maybe not, because I mean, volume should be lower tomorrow because of bank holiday. So which is another reason bank holiday, I mean, 3-day weekend for the banks. You might see a big sell-off this afternoon. Definitely not doing it yet. Started raining yet, Burl? Is this rain from the hurricane or is this another system? Well, for the last two hurricanes, I had to tell a guy that lives in Florida that he was about to get hit with a hurricane. So it's not that bad. I've always been into weather. I wasn't talking about you, Chef. I meant LSD, not the drug. Continue. Look at this. It's now back to being 5 points away from its high a day. When I lived in Pennsylvania, we would get remnants of hurricanes that caused massive flooding. Two biggest flooding events for the city I lived in came from hurricanes, even though, you know, where I lived was like 100 miles inland. I don't know, bro. It's struggling to get above this level. And you can look if this is the daily chart. Excuse all the purple lines. You can see it's kind of trying to double top it back here. This was back on the 28th of October. And you can see how they look kind of like twin towers here. It keeps coming back up, but it's not breaking. It hasn't made any new highs lately. So, be interesting. It just doesn't seem to want to break down either. Right now we're at 4.25 on the 4.25% on the day. But it's trying. Wow. 19 39 19 and a half high a day. Where we just hit 30 we just hit 2 points from it. Pulls back down. Excuse me. Yeah, I don't blame you. I mean, I would have thought it would have came down by now too, but I can also tell you that some of my bigger losses in the past have been where I've had a bias where I think it's got to be coming down, got to be coming down, got to be coming down, short every little, pullback, and it just doesn't come down. Could be a double top here. See if it can break through the high day. Wow. That's really impressive, bro. Like, you gotta know when to hold them, know when to fold them, know when to walk away, know when to run. Yeah, it's breaking down again, trying to break down, but it's just not breaking. Oh, look at this. It's trying again. New high day. No, I lied. Missed it by a tick. Now new high day. Wow. This is amazing. I mean, I really thought, this kind of looks like a pullback, but I really thought this was the reversal right here. But continuing to go higher. 4.42% down today, 165 point candle, daily candle. Continuing to rise up, 39.22. Maybe we should start looking at all-time highs. No. Joking, but CPI has definitely boosted the market. Even lean hogs are up today. Oh wow, look at Amazon. And we were talking about Amazon earlier, which is why I had the chart up. But since CPI, it's up $11 a share. Holy crap. A little drop there at the top of the hour, but yep, there's a pullback. Just for a couple minutes, trying to see whether or not this breaks down. Another bounce. Watching it, it's trying to send the trigger here. The last trigger did work, down and up, both. Oh, bounced again. It'll go a few minutes longer here. Just a few. Great job, Speed Racer. We all need to continue working towards success. A couple years from now, we'll have the first annual MightyOxTrading convention. Popping back up after another dip. My God, dips and just pops right back up. Definitely does not look like it wants to break down, does it? I thought, again, I would have guessed this would have been a breakdown. Might still be. I don't know. Still struggling. We'll stick around till 10:10 or 11:10, I guess. Eastern, 10:10 my time. That's a big move down. Strong candle down. Can it break through here? 39.12.25. Yeah, there we go. There's the possible breakdown. So since the high, it's dropped about 12 points. No, that's bad math. No, that's right. No, I'm wrong. It's something there. Oh wow, whips right back up. And down. So it seems like buyers are really starting to try and step in and knock it down whenever it does pop back up. I mean sellers, I'm sorry, not buyers. Sellers. Not Peter Sellers. Yeah, put back. Or not. Okay, so this is was a wild and wacky day, guys. What a move there. And it's just continued on. A lot of times after a move like this, we fade back down, and we just never faded, and still haven't. So it'll be interesting to see what it does the rest of the day. But we're going to call it a day here. I do want to thank everyone for joining me. I hope everyone has a great rest of your day, and we'll see you back here tomorrow, 7:30 Eastern Time. Talk to you all later. Bye. You too, Kim. Thank you. Thank everyone for joining me today. If you've enjoyed today's content, hope you've hit that like button. And if you haven't subscribed yet, I'd love for you to do so and join the herd. As a reminder, we do stream every weekday morning starting at 7:30 a.m. and we usually go to around 11 a.m. We will also love to have you join our Discord community of both veteran traders and newer traders, prop traders and non-prop traders, all interacting about trading and just general stuff as well. In addition, follow our social media for other updates. We're on Twitter at MightyOxTrading, Instagram is the same, MightyOxTrading, and Reddit is r Ox Market Trading. Hope everyone has a great rest of your day, and we'll see you next time.